Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm joined by this little critter called Smokie that you can catch here. And what we're going to do is we're going to go find some Chromite, which you have to find inside of these like mines, caves, and dungeons that you load into. Specifically on this bottom kind of reddish colored island down here. This is where you'll find things like that star sand on the shore during the nighttime. And you'll also find these little guys, these Smokie dogs, on and around the area as well. And they're important because they're what's going to allow us to find the Chromite, because when you catch one and build its harness, they function like a metal detector. They can do a little ping, a little sonar ping, and tell you if there's any Chromite hidden nearby. So I'm over here next to this particular stone pillar cave entrance that is literally directly out from the shore, and another boss over here. And if we go inside of here, this area is going to be full of all kinds of goodies. Most notably, though, we want to do some mining. So you're not going to find Chromite just on the surface. It doesn't really spawn that way. Instead, what Chromite does is it's below the surface. It's below the rock. And first we're going to clear out these different rooms. Oh, this is a little different than it was the last time I was in here. So it's not going to be like these hexalite crystals where it spawns like on the surface. What's going to happen is we're going to ping it using the dog, and then all of a sudden it's going to appear out of the ground like some mole person brought it up from beneath the bowels of the earth. So like for instance in this room, let's go grab the dog. Oh, that's the sound. So it pushes up from underground and it looks like this. It's just like a random hunk of something. Oh, and there's a guy here. We'd not let him kill the dog. Anyway, without the interruption from Splatterina, what happens is you get a little blue beacon that spawns. You hear a crunching noise as this little pile of stuff appears from beneath the ground. And the dog, when you ping it and it comes up out of the ground, will come over and be like, look what I found. And then you need to have a pretty high grade miner to mine it. I just have a plasma cutter. I don't know if this is required. But if what you're using doesn't work, you're gonna have to come back and bring something a little bit better to the party. And you're probably only going to find one of those Chromite. Oh, there's actually 2 Chromite deposits in here. I normally only find 1 Chromite deposit per room, but I guess it's random. So you have to go to all the different corners of a given room in order to check that there's not something there waiting for you to find. In fact, there might even still be some stuff in this previous room that we didn't check for because I didn't ping this room. And there are some spots that you can walk in here, so it stands to reason that there might be something in here. As I was saying, you gotta check every room, so I'm gonna ping this room here that we were in just before, just to make sure I'm not missing anything. It looks like we didn't, so that's good. That's the good news. Now we can progress to a later room and see what else we've got. And we just want to go room by room, collecting all of the Chromite that we can find. Because it's a slightly rarer material, because you actually have to go underground inside of these dungeons slash mining areas in order to find it. So there you go. It just appears after you ping for it. And then you can just quickly mine it with the laser or whatever you got that mines it. I think the laser might be required for this, but again, I'm not sure. Okay, so once you're back at your base, you can head over to the old forge. We got a couple of them here. We've got just the electric one, which makes up to plat steel. Or we can go into here, which makes like hexalite. And hexalite's what we're trying to use the Chromite in order to craft. It takes 1 chromite and 1 hexalite in order to make 1 hexalite ingot. So that's why we need the chromite. The chromite's harder to find than the hexalite. The hexalite is literally just littering the ground, literally everywhere over in that area. So that's what we need it for. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. That's where you can find all of the chromite you could possibly want inside of those different caves and dungeons in and around this sort of red southernmost big island. Not the floating islands, but the southernmost red island here. I forget what it's called. And until next time, I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.